First of all, I am Dr. Ishan Yadav, and our company's name is HNCO Organics Private Limited. We are a third-party manufacturer of herbal products. So our range includes from herbal powders to cosmetics to herbal teas and coffee. And we have been participating in CMPL from last many years. So far, the experience was every time the experience was good. We last time we were exhibiting in Bombay CMPL, so that time the exhibition, yeah, the experience was good, and this time also the experience so far is very good. First day went very well, and we are looking forward for second day also. We had made many connections here, and but saying like they'll convert, so it's bit I'll be like अभी थोड़ा जल्दी होगा, but yeah, I can say that it's low hanging fruit for us. On in future, we would like, for example, like if I'll take the Delhi location, so if I will suggest, if the venue can be more shifted toward the central areas like Pragati Maidan, if possible, or Greater Noida, because this Dwarka is bit far from the central area. So this will be my first suggestion. Second will be like if we have more of a buyer-seller meeting, so that would be more beneficial for a company like us. CMPL definitely help us because in the platform like CMPL we get to know like what our competitors are doing or what is the current market demand. So yes, definitely CMPL help us in staying ahead. I'll say meaningful.